Welcome back to another episode of this video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the due process on how you can use this platform to fund your domiciliary bank card within a short period of time. So if this is your first time of seeing my YouTube channel, if this is your first time of seeing my content, this is the voice of Zion of Logistics, and my name is Samuel Joshua. So in a very quick one, to join our community, here we are like family. We talked about arbitrage, e-money, e-commerce, and how you can also make money online. Most especially, we talked about mini importation as well. So I'm going to be showing you the exact same way that I've been using to fund my domiciliary bank card with this platform. All right. So the first thing you want to do is to create accounts with Cash. You are going to be creating an account with them. So once you are done creating an account, by default, they are going to be giving you an NGN wallet, which you are seeing right here. So the next thing you are going to be doing is to come to this card section here. So they are going to be giving you an NGN wallet as well. Also, you are going to be requesting for a USSD card. Do you get it? You can see that this is my balance right here, and this is my USSD balance. So in today's tutorial now, I'm going to be showing you exact same method to fund your domiciliary bank card with this platform. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to be doing right now is to fund our NGN wallet by adding a whopping amount of the exact conversion we want to fund our domiciliary bank card with. So I'm going to click on add cash now. So once you click on add cash, they are going to generate a NGN wallet for you automatically. So you want to copy it. Once you copy it, you send the money directly to this cheaper cash account. So once you send the money, it's going to be reflecting here. So after waiting for some few minutes now, I got my account funded with the sum of 5,000 naira. So let me just refresh now for you to see my balance. Okay. So after refreshing this page, it's going to be displaying. So you can see right here that we have 5,000 naira. Now is to convert this 5,000 naira to our USSD. You can see before now I have $0 in my USSD account, right? So I'm going to click on this convert here. So I click on convert now. So once I click on convert, it's going to load up this page. Okay. So let's say I have a whopping sum of amount of 5,000 naira now, and that will be giving me $5.28. Okay, so I'm going to click on next. Clicking on next will confirm my transaction and show me this page. So they told me that I'm going to be, with my 5,000 naira, I'm going to be getting $5.29. So if I'm okay with it, I will click on confirm. All right, so with just few minutes now, we are going to see that this transaction has been success, and you can see that it has successfully been converted. So let me click on done. All right, that's the first process now. So if I'm to click on my NGN now and see my dollar, you can see that I'm having $5.29 here. So now please forward our location. The next thing we are going to be doing now is to withdraw this US dollar into our domiciliary bank card, and this is the simple process to go about it. So now you are going to click on this NGN logo here, this Nigerian logo here, then you swipe it to the US dollar there. So it's going to load the surface and change it to US dollar. You can see that we have our balance now. So you want to click on this three parallel dotted line here. Once you click on it, you want to click on cash out. All right, so done is the domiciliary account which we are going to be making use of. Okay, I'm going to be adding my domiciliary bank card. I'm going to click on this first option here. Clicking on it will takes me to this option here. So let me just say I want to withdraw max everything. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue. Clicking on continue will takes me to where I'm going to be adding my bag. So I'm going to select this option here. Default, I've already added my Wema domiciliary bank card. That is why you are seeing it here. But being the first time, you are only going to be seeing the first option, which says add a bank account. So if you have to click on it now, it's going to load out this page for you. This is what it will look like, and it's, I think they are presently supporting just these three banks. Maybe they are going to be enrolling the other banks later on. All right, so if you are having any of these banks domiciliary, so you want to click on, let me just say I want to click on this UBA. Okay, so let's say you want to add your UBA domiciliary, you click on it, then you're going to be inputting your UBA domiciliary account number here, then you click on next. So I still have a UBA domiciliary bank card. So if I'm to input it here now, this is my UBA account number, which is different from the normal account number. Is my domiciliary bank card, my domiciliary bank account number. So I'm just going to click on next now. So clicking on next, we successfully add this bank account to, you can see it right here. So you just click on add payment method. So that means I've already added this. You can see that this has been successfully been added. So you click on done. All right, so I've already added my domiciliary bank card for UBA bank, then also for WEMA. So you are going to be selecting any option for this account you want to fund. So let me just say I want to fund my UBA now. I'm going to click on this UBA. Okay, so you can see that I think their minimum that they can fund is $7, and I'm presently having $5.25 or 27 cents. Remember, says $7. I think the minimum is $7, right? So let me check my balance. We have, I think, yes, you can see that the available balance is just $5. Okay, so I don't know if this transaction they are going to be charging us $2. So let me just click on confirm if it is going to go. Okay, you can see that this is the error message we have now: insufficient funds, insufficient balance, right? So if you are to fund, our advice, if you want to fund, you can fund from $10 upward, which I believe is going to work perfectly, because I have a friend presently using this method to fund their accounts. Okay, their domiciliary bank accounts, they are presently using this method, because I believe we all have our different activities that we want to use this domiciliary account for, maybe different online transactions that require our bank cards. Okay, so this will prompt me to leads you to the next video. Okay, I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can use your ATM card to fund your domiciliary bank card, and also to use the ATM card to fund your virtual card at the normal flat rate of, I think, 300 naira or 400 naira. So I'm going to be linking the video. It's going to be showing somewhere around this corner, so you can watch it. You can use it is called card to card transaction. So you can use the card to fund another card, which have to do with maybe US bank dollars, or maybe you want to use it to fund your virtual card at the bank rate, at official bank rate. So do well to watch the video, and I will definitely see you in my next video.